Let me continue my report from La Granja on the island of Mallorca. This historic country mansion, country estate. Pretty astounding building. Really sort of illustrates to you that it was not all that bad if you were part of the rural aristocracy in the 1800s. Life was not all that bad. I've seen a few of these historic mansions as part of the whole agroturismo idea, and they're usually pretty lavish. So, look at this here. Bedroom. Okay, what do we have in here? Oh,
ah oui, c'est magnifique.
What is this? This is interesting. Bathroom of some sort.
Pour
I see
chauffer les
that.
bigoudis.
Chamber pot. I have no idea what that is. Pour sécher les cheveux?
C'est un séchoir.
Séchoir?
Un séchoir électrique.
Hairdryer.
Puisqu'il y a le fil électrique, le moteur, et ça souffle.
Yeah.
de l'air.
That's where you put your head underneath, right there. Oof, scary. Yeah. Old socks, underwear. What an interesting spot. Interesting art. All these canopy beds. What the heck is this here? I guess it must be a bathtub, I guess. Some antique chamber pot.
Voilà le moine, voilà le vrai moine.
There you go. Here's the office.
Ça c'est un moine.
Okay, I'm wondering where the iMac is. No Apple computer in here. Interesting. Very nice cabinet in the back here. I imagine it gets a little crowded in here. Oh, what a nice arcaded walkway. Is this beautiful or what? You can hear the water outside. Let me show you. Nice grounds here at La Granja. Beautiful grass looking out to the mountains here. What a gorgeous place. I'm going to hurry up now because the demonstration of the folkloric dancing is starting shortly, so I'll take a couple of pictures in there and I'll come back to you.